Hello my crafty friends, and thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the little embellishments that I've packaged so that I could give it to Happy Mail. So I wanted to show you the first items that I did make are these little bag toppers. So I am going to give it on Happy Mail. So it's going to be 4 people. And with that, I am going to give each one these little butterflies that I've made. And I put sequences inside of it. And so that's how that's going to be. See, little, there's 5 butterflies and they do flip up. They have like, you could puff up the butterfly. So that's 1. I mean, that's 2. This is the other one. And this is the last one. And then the next thing I wanted to give them was these little fun little circus. And I did cut up these little confetti. And then I put some sequins inside of it also. So that's 1. This is the other one. Again with some more. You can hardly see it, but it's there. So that's how I packaged that one. Those, I mean. This is the other one. As you can see, they also have stitching on it. And then the last one. Where is the last one? Did I leave it on the table? Did I put 2 here? Let me get it. And then it's this one right here. So I did put that confetti, one of the little butterflies in it. So I did show a video of this that I'm showing you. And then the last thing was this. I did do a video of me making this. So I did put some of those confettis in the back. This is the next one. Some more confetti. You can't see it because it's behind. So, and this one, and then the last one. So I'm gonna package these up to send to Happy Mail so that they could receive it within this week or maybe next week, and a little card I'm going to make. So as always, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my video. If you did like this video, you could give it a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber of mine, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I will come back to show you one of the packaging of Happy Mail so that you see what else I'm sending to my friends. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.